welcome to today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Today we're starting off in the living room. We're just going to give it a quick spritz and scrub these floors. As I've said in every single video, my life is just a constant cleaning of muddy paws from pets. Today's video is filmed over 2 days. So the first day we were just, a general downstairs clean, and then the second day is upstairs. And then we move on to the bathroom. The bathroom needed a massive scrub. Cooper gets muddy and has to be showered off after every single walk. So the shower was clogged. That needed scrubbing. And then we move on to the kitchen and give it a quick spritz. I feel like all my videos are the exact same recently, but it's just that this is like the only time that I get to film is on a weekend. And this is just what I do on like a Saturday morning. really wanted to carpet clean, but I was absolutely shattered and just didn't have time, so I've just hoovered as best as I can and gave the upstairs bathroom a good bleach. I think I've been in a bit of a rut recently about whether to carry on filming or like these cleaning videos. Instagram and TikTok is fine because it's like quick and easy. This is a bit different because, like, you can fully see me in the frame, but I've had a few messages recently about how nice it is to see like realistic content. And it's really nice to hear that because I know that I've kind of gotten off watching YouTube a little bit. Only because I think I just need to find new people to watch who are real, like realistic. Only because recently it's just that everyone that I'm subscribed to, or every week that they're uploading, it's like they've got, a Chanel unboxing or a Hermes unboxing, and like it's just so unrealistic in terms of everyday life. And I don't know, it just kind of, everything just feels so fake at the minute. But I don't know, at the minute I just kind of feel like my content on this is just the same all the time, and I don't mean it to be. It's just, this is me keeping my house clean and maintained whilst having a dog and 2 cats, working full time. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.